After Pulkit Samrat spoke about his troubled relationship with his wife Shweta Rohira to a section of the media, Shweta herself opened up about Pulkit and Yami in a tell-all interview to Spotboy.com's entertainment editor Vicky Lalwani. Speaking of Pulkit's recent stinging interview to a daily that portrayed Shweta in a bad light, she says, "I was shocked and disgusted. Pulkit blames me for leaking stories about him and says that I'm running a campaign against him. What will I benefit by running a campaign against someone whom I always supported? His loose talk has hurt me very deeply and it's high time we ended it amicably, not the way it's going on." Pulkit also suggested that Shweta would control his outings and his interactions with his friends. She responded to that by saying, "That was a very stupid and immature comment. Tell me one house where wife doesn't give an opinion. Was he locked up by me in our house? Every husband has a habit of saying that his wife controls him. Pulkit has taken this to the next level." Pulkit has lashed out at her for spreading stories that Yami and him came close while Shweta was recuperating from a miscarriage. Is it true? Are these just stories? Shweta responds, "Be it the miscarriage story or any other story, let me tell you that all were so sensitive. If I was into spreading stories, would I have benefited hiding myself as his girlfriend for 5 full years? How can you forget that he came out and said that he hasn't got the time to file for divorce since he's busy promoting his movies? Now that Sanam Ray and Jununiyat both have released, send the papers. Why make up story that, oh, I'm so busy? It's high time he stops blaming me for everything and starts taking responsibilities as a man." When asked what problems Pulkit's parents had with Shweta, she replies, "Bombay ki ladki hai, modern hai. His mother kept saying such random things. Nothing was clear though." Does she think that Yami was in his life in some way even when Shweta was married to him? She had the hots for him, everybody knows. What happened between them after Pulkit and I separated, I wouldn't know. A closure didn't happen between us because I haven't got a lot of answers to many of my questions yet, and that is unfortunate. When we asked her to honestly elaborate about Yami and Pulkit's relationship, she says, "I was living in an illusion. I trusted Pulkit. The film industry is a very small world. I get to know things about him even if I don't want to. Yami was the smoke that led to whatever happened between Pulkit and me. She is a homebreaker. Pulkit has always led a dual life for some reason. And now he's saying that he did not declare me as his wife for the longest time. And now he's saying that he is not dating Yami. It's time he becomes transparent. All said and done, my marriage with Pulkit was a mistake and I have learned the lesson the hard way."